An '07 Dodge Sprinter van. Guy just bought the car or the van a couple weeks ago, I want to say. So he's bringing it in to have it looked at, get a good look over, figure out what's going wrong with it, or if there's anything wrong with it, I should say. It's technically a Dodge, but it's got the Mercedes engine and transmission and drivetrain. So basically it's a Sprinter van, but from Dodge. I know they were in bed together for a while, and that's why Dodge was making the Sprinter vans. All the parts and everything like that would be readily available from Mercedes. It runs the same system, so our scan tools would hook up to it. This guy's just coming in for a service B, cabin filter, brake flush, and an oil change. He did have a complaint a couple times at low RPMs. His battery light was coming on, so he's curious if his alternator's starting to go out or not. I'll test that really quick for him. But at this time, everything looks pretty clean. Whoever owned it previously took pretty good care of it. The belts are a little worn. If he doesn't need an alternator, I'm probably not gonna recommend the belts, but if he does, it's a good time to do it at the same time since you already got it off. I can tell off the bat though that there has been a critter in here. I just noticed that. You can see a little feet print. So there's been a critter of some kind in here recently. He's got some oil seeps. Nothing's like dripping on the ground yet, which is good for him. Yeah, so we'll go from there. I got it up in the air, found the rear shocks to be leaking. Engine mounts are collapsed, as well as the transmission mount. And then the belt is separating. But what's kind of weird, to me at least, is they did the main drive belt, but didn't change out the fan drive belt. But you gotta take the fan drive belt off to get the main drive belt off. So I don't know why they would have put it back on, but for some reason they did. And so then other than that, he has a power steering hose that's leaking, and then just basic maintenance on it. So I mean, overall, it's a pretty decent rig for 150,000 miles on it. Gonna recommend fuel filter, transmission service, and the engine air filter for maintenance related reasons. The shock in the rear, a couple power steering lines, and the engine mounts, and then the belt kit. Battery light coming on, I tested the alternator, and the starting and charging system, everything tested okay there. I'm gonna recommend to start with the new belt, with the new fresh units, have it retest after that, because he's saying it only happened a couple times. If it happens again, we can address it, but I'm pretty certain that a new belt kit would solve that problem. Technically, he could take the car as it is, sitting now. It's not unsafe at all. There's just got a couple things he needs to address if you were to put it up to tip-top shape, I guess is what you would say.